Welcome back to In Focus. It's time for our Africa Health Network update. Linord Moudou is here with today's report. Hello, Linord.
Hello, Benson. Hello, everyone. While the fight to end the stigma towards people living with HIV/AIDS in Nigeria continues, with activists struggling to create a safe environment for people to freely reveal their status without being ridiculed or alienated. This woman works as a caregiver for an HIV/AIDS support group at the Lagos Teaching Hospital. She was diagnosed with HIV/AIDS 13 years ago. She says she has never openly shared her HIV status with her family and friends. She says being HIV positive is still considered taboo, and many people believe it is a death sentence.
Some of them really understand, but some of them don't understand. Not only working place, even some doctors, they don't really understand about HIV. But it's very important we educate them. If you don't educate them, this thing, the state of stigma will still continue.
Experts say a fear of being stigmatized has fueled the spread of HIV, making it more difficult for people to access testing, care, and support services. Some doctors say a major consequence of stigmatization is the increasing number of pregnant women who are avoiding voluntary counseling and testing, the first step to reducing mother-to-child transmission. Dr. Agudo Ikemba heads the non-governmental organization Friends Africa, which provides HIV/AIDS prevention awareness and care.
I do understand that it can be quite, with all this baby-friendly news and noise around town, it can be very, very challenging for a new mother who is HIV positive. I think in that kind of situation, one just has to work closely with those that they trust to protect the mother. I don't think she owes an explanation to the entire world. She herself is going through enough as a woman who just had a baby and is HIV positive, and she does not have to start pretending or, trying to breastfeed the baby. She must protect her child.
One way the organization is raising awareness about fighting the HIV stigma in Nigeria is to use public figures like former Super Eagles footballer Emmanuel Babayoro, the organization's goodwill ambassador.
The society tends to follow the trend. Whatever supposedly celebrities do, people tend to believe it more. So for us, it's key. That's why on that day, we'll be shaking hands and hugging these people living with HIV/AIDS publicly and having pictures taken with them. They're going to display their goods and we will buy them. It's all our own way of letting people know that, what? Just because I'm hugging them and shaking hands and buying their goods doesn't mean I'm going to catch the disease anyways.
Nigeria has an estimated 3.3 million adults living with HIV/AIDS, and about 2.5 million children have been orphaned by the disease.